Good morning, students. So today's lesson once again is the sentence dictation for V says V. So as you can see, these are all sentences. And of course, you need to write your name and notice that your name is capitalized because the first letter of your name is important. Okay, so let's review cups, the concept of cups. So what does C stand for? Correct. C stands for capitalization. In other words, the first letter of the sentence must be like a mountain letter. Is a mountain letter or a capital letter. Also, the letters of the first letter of your name or a place is a capital letter. Okay, what about U? U stands for understanding. So you understand. So what we'll do is, and how do we do understanding? Correct. We read the sentence and make sure it makes sense to us. And if it does, I'll add a snarky little comment. What does P stand for? Punctuation. So periods and question marks, because that's what sentences must always end with. The last one is spelling. Make sure every word is spelled correctly. And just to play a little trick on you, I'm going to put one of the words or two of them spelled incorrectly. So we need to double check it. See if you can catch Mr. Tan's error before Mr. Tan catches it. Okay. So we got three sentences. The first sentence is, the cat is at the vet. So let's try doing it sound by sound. Here we go. Word for word. The cat is at the vet. The cat is at the vet. Now pick up your pencil and write down the word the, which is, how do you spell the? T-H-E, and note it's capital T because it's the mountain letter. Next word is cat. Sound it out. K, at, cat. K. And this is cat kite rule, so it's C says k, A says a, T says t. Cat is. The next word is is. Is. I-S. The next word is at. Sound by sound. At. 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 So it's A says at, T says t. Next up, the. Spell the again. T-H-E. And the last word is vet. V, et, vet. V, et, vet. And the cat is at the vet. Are we saying something or are we asking a question? We're saying something. We're saying that the cat's at the vet. So we need to put a period in there because it's a statement. Okay. Now, when you check the teacher's copy, do your rewrite. Check for cups. Is the T capitalized? Good. Check for understanding. The cat is at the vet. Oh, that makes sense. At the vat? I wonder what's going on with this word. Cat is at the vat. Maybe we should, oh, there's the issue. The spelling is wrong. Okay. The cat is at the vat. The vat doesn't really make sense unless the cat's a witch. But if she's at the vet, it means the cat is sick. Nice. Good catch. P for punctuation. Make sure the period's there. And spelling. We fixed a wrong spelling word. So, darn it, you caught me. Okay. Next up. Number 2 sentence is, put the lid on the vat. Now we're using the word vat. So let's break it down word by word. Put the lid on the vat. Put the lid on the vat. Okay, so let's do the first. So let's start with the word put. That word sound by sound. Put. 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 Uh. Oh, and look, isn't that P also the same thing as a capital P? So P says P, U says T says T. Next word is the. Spell it for me. T-H-E. Good. Next one. Lid. L-I-D. Lid. Next word is on. Spell it for me. On. 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 Next word is the. Please spell it for me. T-H-E. And the last word is that. Sound it out. At that. At that. And put the lid on the vat. Are we saying something or are we asking a question? Sounds like we're telling someone to do something. So that should end with a period. Nice. Now when you check the teacher's copy, do your rewrite. Check for cups. The P must be capitalized. It should look like the P in the word cups right here. Lid. All right. The next one is lit. The next word is lit. Next word is reading, understanding. So read the sentence, put the lid on the vat. Otherwise, it will bubble and boil over, and that would be very bad. And you'd have to do all that cleaning. Okay, that makes sense. Punctuation, period. That makes sense. And S stands for spelling. Make sure every word is spelled the same way as Mr. Tan's copy. Good. Put the lid on the vat. Nice job. The last sentence is the cat sat on the van. Wow. Okay, let's do it word for word. The cat sat on the van. The cat sat on the van. All right, let's put it together. Sound by sound, the. T-H-E, and different it's capital T. Next word is cat. At cat. C says k, A says a, T says t. Next word is sat. So sound it out. Sat. At. Sat. At. Sat. The next word is on. Sound it out. On. 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 O says N says down and up. Last word is the. T-H-E. And van. At. Van. B says the. A says a. N says The cat sat on the van. Are we saying something or are we asking a question? We're saying something. The cat's on the van. So we're just telling you that the cat is on the van. So there it is. There's a period. Can you check the teacher's copy? Do the rewrite. Hey, check for cups. Make sure that T is capitalized. Read the sentence, the cat sat on the van. That is a very strong cat. If a cat can jump on the van, that is actually pretty cool and scary at the same time. Put a period, P for punctuation. And as for spelling, make sure that every word is spelled the same way as the teacher's copy. Okay. The cat sat on the van. Great. Now let's start at go back to the top and let's go back to 1 and read each sentence. The cat is at the vet. 2. Put the lid on the vat. 3. The cat sat on the van. 3. The cat sat on the van. 2. Put the lid on the vat. 1. The cat is at the vet. Nice job. We are getting close to the end of the alphabet, of the sounds of the alphabet. So stay tuned for the next lesson. It's excellent. See you soon.